morning, everybody. We say hi to the vlog. Currently, it's 1:33 a.m. and I just woke up after my 5-minute nap. We just had our coffee. We brought the mugs downstairs. Even though we had coffee, we still want to sleep. Hi, Sir Dan. Hi, Sir Dave.
Hi, baby.
Yuck!
Nadagal viewers mo.
Clickbait. Hi, say hi to the vlog. Guys, wake me up when it's Okay, don't watch it while I'm here. Pag-alam na.
Sige Doc, kung saan na station? How do you see yourself 5 to 10 years from now? So hindi natatapos yan. Hindi natatapos, no? It's a continuous.
So yun yung naisip ko nung first mag-upload.
Otherwise, kung okay yung situation, mas mabigat yung trabaho. Kahit gaano pa yan ka-toxic, kahit gaano pa yan kadaming pasyente, pero kung iniisip mo,
Or smoke.
Ha? Sana kalipatan. Mana ka? Ate, ito ba?
may kaibahan siya. Pag sinabi natin sex, anatomy.
Kaimot mo siya, kaimot yun daw yung mga mamuli sila. Kung yan ay sakit-sakit pag daw yung muli ito.
Pakibigay ng 100,000 sa akin. At sa akin rin. Akin na yung 100,000. Sa ako rin 100,000. Ba't mo tinatanggihan?
Sir, give daw naman yung
Smile and bring a smile so we can all time.
For my vlog!
The cheap is cheapy, even though he's with us. Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! I'm eating every day.
Because you're a chiefy.
I keep the chicken more.
My love's Nana is sleeping. I haven't seen her for a while now since she was admitted. Anyway, she's still asleep, but I got her snacks. I got her this and this one, and it's funny because it's pink and she's wearing pink. So I'm just gonna wait for her to wake up.
Turon na ube.
Turon yun. Kaya pag minsan nagsasabi na, sumising-asing. Saan naman yung vlog na yun?
Hoy, ongoing ko nag-vlog. I-add na ko to sa akong vlog. Let's go down.
Yung pinsan niya ba?
Ay, as in? Hindi ko alam. Hello? Okay, she's serious girl. Not our fault you came here so early.
Because we had an extensive exam.
That's so funny.
Tapos siguro ng daw sa procedure.
Wala pa na.
Never na eh?
Uy, over.
So, yun na namya Bastille yung mga trainee.
Kasalanan ni Mihar.
Mga kasalanan ko ng trainee. Okay.
I'm gonna study out tomorrow.
Sana all.
I'm gonna date with my
I'm going to be sleeping here on my friend's water.
I am motivated.
For what?
For this Ipon Challenge, 72,000.
72 million?
Yeah.
Oh. So you will put it now?
Nakahulog na ko.
Ibutang na lang nato na
kabus-
tanan.
Ayaw kay, you have to check. Nashay kumaga ko.
I love ground too.
Spanish oat latte is the best.
No, me I like matcha, dirty matcha. My dirty matcha.
That tastes like bamboo, you know, grass.
I like O2. I like O2.
Ay, hindi. Ilan? Pilay mo kailangan.
It's a video.
So what is yours, Ryan Doe sister?
Kailangan maglagay pa ng port, pero I'm afraid.
Hi guys, not this girl waking me up just to do AP.